now, Dr. Vipin, taking from where Mr. Prabhakar said that the vaccine is not our secret bullet to controlling COVID. It's not a secret weapon. So, India has started the vaccination drive, but there are health experts who say that it's not really moving very fast, and the pace at which it is moving is going to take some time before we have people vaccinated and we develop herd immunity. And also, at this moment, your advice, how important is testing at the hospital level, at the society level, and at the lab level? How important it is to focus on testing?
Yeah, as Dr. Vasudevan sir told that this is not the time to relax.
Yeah.
Actually, we are in the initial stage of vaccination, and this vaccination could only trigger your immunity, and you are not going to get the full protection against the virus. So only after receiving the booster dose only, you may be able to get the protection against the virus. So we should have to still follow all the precautions and measures what we are taking right now. WHO also recommend that. But the thing is that increasing the test numbers and isolating the people as soon as possible, thus we can prevent the spreading of the virus. Right now, the problem is that to isolate the patients who is having positive, so the contact has to be isolated as soon as possible. Thus, we can prevent the spreading of infections to the earlier. Previously, we were doing it right now. As everyone told that malls and public sectors, everything is open. So most of the peoples are not going for testing right nowadays because they are afraid of the testing, what the health authorities are doing now. So that is a very bad trend what is happening in Kerala. So if we are infected or anything else, most of the people just stay back in the home and they are not going for the test. So they're just taking a paracetamol and that's all. So that's a very dangerous situation going on right now here. So we have to increase the number of tests. We have to get into the each district level and this ward level, and we have to screen a lot of this case patients with the affordable test, and thereby isolating all the people who may be positive or symptomatic patients.
How has hospitals been managing testing, at the moment?
Yeah, right now our hospital, private hospital is, most of the private hospital is having a strict COVID protocol.
Right.
So the screening has been done in all the entry level. So
Right.
you maybe that as an hospital you may receive a lot of emergency cases like trauma cases, cardiac cases, stroke cases, which need an immediate attention. So we cannot wait such a long time for getting the RT-PCR results. So the results has to be released as soon as possible. So we cannot depend we cannot depend upon the lateral flow device like antigen test. So we have to place nucleic acid based testing, which is more accurate on that. What we are doing is we are actually detecting the viral particles. So the false negativity will be very less. So actually what we are done is that we had placed a nucleic acid amplification test for emergency purposes. So all the traumatic case or all the emergency case, we are testing and releasing the report within 1 hour. So the patients can be isolated. So there is a two sections every hospital. So for COVID positive area and COVID negative area. Suppose a patient is positive for a COVID, then they will move to the COVID positive theater or COVID positive area. Or then a patient is negative, then they will move to the negative area. Thus, thereby ensuring the safety of the patient as well as the staff working in the hospital.
Dr. Vipin, you are, Aster MIMS is one of the first hospitals to actually go for RT-LAMP technology. So you say that, it's made life easier when it comes to emergency surgeries?
Yes, emergencies are actually RT-LAMP is a very good game changer, as you said, where you can get the results, positive results within 15 minutes after loading into an instrument. So if a sample is positive, you will get the results within 15 minutes. Final negative result will be coming after half an hour. So I can isolate as soon as possible. I can isolate the patient and start the treatment. We can just move forward with that. Right. So it's really a game changer.
Right. So at the moment, is it just limited to emergency cases, or do you plan to extend it?
No, it is not limited to the emergency cases. Actually, what we have done is we are screening all the bystanders also. because
Okay.
it is very much important that the patient bystanders also who is standing with the patient should be screened. So later on, we had started to screening the bystanders. Then we are maybe able to see a lot of bystanders coming positive. So
Right.
that is also a very important cases where we have to screen bystanders also who is along with the patients and limit that the bystanders. So this is also a helpful way of what we can see. RT lamp also we had used to screen the bystanders who is along with the patients also. So each and every admission cases and every any other procedure cases like CT scan or any other procedures what you are needed, we can use a RT lamp for the purpose. We'll get the result within we can release the result within 1.5 hours.
Thanks, Dr. Vipin.